MAASAI, social organization of the MAASAI. The clan formed the basis of the MAASAI social organization. There were 5 clans, each with a name and a cattle brand. The community was organized in age sets. The Maasai initiated the youth into adulthood through circumcision. Once initiated, the boys became junior warriors, Ilmuran. They lived in Manyatas. The Maasai believed in the existence of one God, Enkai, creator of the universe. The Ilmuran defended the community against external attacks. He also conducted raids. Economic organization of the Maasai. The Maasai were predominantly pastoralists. A section of the Maasai, the Kwavi or the Iloikop, practiced agriculture. They practiced iron working. They traded with neighboring communities such as the Akamba and the Goyo. They practiced hunting and gathering. They raided neighboring communities for cattle. Political organization of the Maasai. The clan was the basis of political organization. The society was divided into 16 autonomous territorial units, each with its own land and water supply. Each territorial unit was subdivided into localities, which were made up of scattered villages or manyatas. Each manyata had a council of elders which maintained law and order. The council of elders advised the warriors on when to organize raids. Leadership was exercised through the age-set system. A young man became a member after circumcision. Age sets were linear and their names or titles were never repeated. The most active age set was Ilmuran, or Junior Warrior Group. It was led by a military captain known as Aloiguanani. A system of ritual leadership based on the Oloiboni also existed. From the mid-19th century, the Oloiboni came to have political power as well. Cushites, and with the Cushites we start with the Borana. Social organization of the Borana. The family was the basis of their social organization. The Borana initiated the youth through circumcision. Once circumcised, the boys were organized in age sets and age grades. Marriage was arranged by parents and dowry paid. The Borana believed in the existence of one God, Wag, the creator of the universe. They worshipped Wag at specific sites or shrines. They believed in the life after death. They practiced ancestral worship. Economic organization of the Borana. They practiced pastoralism and kept camels, cattle, sheep, and goats. Donkeys were also kept as beasts of burden by a section of Borana. A section of the Borana practiced agriculture. They practiced pottery and leatherwork. Some fished along the river Tana and other rivers. They practiced wood carving. Ironworking was an important economic activity. Their blacksmiths made tools and weapons. They traded with neighboring communities. Political organization of the Borana. The family was the basic unit of their political organization. The clan, made up of several subclans, was the largest political unit. The Borana had kingship groups and subgroups who helped one another in times of need. They had age sets and age grades. The leader of an age set was the Hayu Haria. An assembly of elders representing each village administers justice. Somali, social organization of the Somali. The Somali had been converted to Islam, and so their cultural practices were governed by the teachings of the Quran. They believed in whom they called Allah, Wak. They practiced polygamy. They initiated the youth into adulthood through circumcision. Men built cattle bomas, while the women constructed houses. The Somali believed in common ancestry and lineage groups. They traced their origins to Urashi, the lineage of Prophet Muhammad. Economic organization of the Somali. They practiced pastoralism and kept camels, cattle, sheep, goats, and donkeys. A section of the Somali, the Sab, practiced ironworking. They made pots, baskets, and practiced leatherwork. They traded in neighboring communities. Political organization of the Somali. The society was bound together in patrilineal lineage. Women did not feature in the political setup. The largest political unit among the Somali was the clan. The Council of Elders controlled the affairs of the clan. Some sections of the Somali had titular chiefs called Saldan, that is the Sultan. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below, and also tell me what video you want I look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.